The Rock is one of the very few people who have ruled Hollywood for decades, and in the process, he made quite a lot of money. He also listed as one of the highest paid actors back in 2018, and as it turns out, he has a knack for expensive stuff too. The Rock owns $100 million mansions, and they are the most luxurious ones you might ever have seen. So, let's get inside The Rock's mansions. But before that, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. The Rock has quite a lot of homes around the country, and he loves buying homes and selling them after a while, which is why he has lived in the most luxurious homes in the US. He recently purchased a mansion worth $9.5 million that has a separate place for his horses too, because we all know how much Rock loves horses. This house is located in Georgia and is away from the hustle and bustle of the city. The rooms in this beautiful house are quite big, and there are 8 of them along with 6 bathrooms. This mansion is a true example of luxury and class because nothing is screaming at your face, and even the interior looks very decent. This mansion also has fireplaces, and the walls are colored with very subtle and natural tones. This mansion is more of a farmhouse, and it is surrounded by beautiful hills, which is why The Rock and his family spend their private time here. This mansion also has a pretty lavish library, along with a giant piano because Rock has a knack for music too, and by music, we got reminded of the cool music room he has. How can a celebrity house not have pools? So, this farmhouse also has the luxurious pools and even a jacuzzi. But this is not the only farmhouse of Rock, as he also has one in Virginia, which is not known to the public, and he also keeps horses there as well. He even hosts different celebrities and Olympic players at that house, but it is far from the public eye. Another great place that he bought back in 2012 is his Florida mansion that cost him about $3.4 million. Though this mansion is not as big as the Georgia one, it still is a piece of art with 5 luxurious bedrooms. It also has a home theater and 7 bathrooms, which sounds extravagant, but for The Rock, it is quite normal. This mansion has a pretty large swimming pool and a jacuzzi too, along with an office for The Rock to work. The lounge and hall of the house are decorated in a very elegant way and depict royalty and luxury from every corner. Some close sources even say that this mansion also has a barbershop, so The Rock never has to actually leave the house until necessary. The bedrooms of this mansion are so pretty that you would think they are either right out of the Disney movie or are designed for a king and queen, which is fair because Dwayne could be called the king of Hollywood. It seems like Rock has a soft spot for Florida because another one of his mansions is in Florida, which he bought for $4.5 million. This mansion has 5 bedrooms and a very beautiful outdoor kitchen. The 2 garages and 7 bathrooms also add a lot of luxury of this mansion. The privacy at this mansion is maximum as it has a huge gate, so no pap can take a peek while the Johnson family is enjoying themselves. This place has really big rooms, and everything inside of this house reminds you of nature because it is not as fancy as other mansions of The Rock, and he has kept this one a little subtle. But Rock cannot always stay in Florida or Virginia, and he obviously has to shoot movies. So when he is working, he stays at his mansion in Hidden Hills that he bought for $5 million. This mansion has more of a Hollywood-like glam, and it has a very wide space outside that is perfect for get-togethers and parties with celebs. The Hidden Hill Mansion is said to be the most luxurious of Rock's mansions, and it also has a professional gym, which is quite famous among celebs. The ceilings at this mansion are very high, and the white pillars make it look like a scene right out of a fiction book. Dwayne also has a huge bedroom in this mansion, along with a master bathroom. The pool is also located at the backside of the mansion, and as in all of Rock's properties, this one also has a jacuzzi. The backyard of this mansion also has a cookout place where Rock cooks whenever he is free because he is into cooking as well these days. This also has a home theater, which actually looks like a cinema, and even though it was a perfectly luxurious mansion, Rock sold it in 2012 because, as already discussed, he loves buying and selling properties. Rock is also said to have a home in California, and while he is shooting a movie in London, he bought a place there as well. This London home has 9 huge bedrooms, a home theater, a tennis court, and 2 swimming pools. This house also has one of the finest gyms with 40,000 pounds of gym equipment installed. So, The Rock has not wasted his $100 million in properties, and he surely is living the best life one could live. So, which one of The Rock's mansions is your favorite? Tell us in the comments section. Also, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. We will see you in the next video. Till then, adios from our side.